Ever wonder if you could actually make money flipping thrift store finds? Well, I did. And today I'm going to walk you through exactly how I turned secondhand treasures into real profit, starting with zero experience. Let's dive in. Thrift flipping is one of the lowest cost ways to start a side hustle. You don't need inventory up front, there's minimal risk, and the profit margins can surprise you. From vintage clothing to electronics, opportunities are everywhere. You just need to know where to look. My first flip. A former Sony DVD player I picked up from a Goodwill and sold for $35 on Facebook Marketplace. I didn't know much, but I took a chance. That sale lit the spark, and I kept learning with each flip. Here's what I wish I knew on day one. Stick to what's proven. Shoes, name brand jeans, electronics, vintage kitchenware, and sealed board games. Avoid items with missing parts or excessive wear. Apps like eBay sold listings or Google Lens help estimate value before buying. Go early in the day, especially on restocking days. Check different sections. Sometimes valuable items are misplaced. Be nice to staff and ask when new items get shelved. Small talk can lead to big finds. Before listing, search sold listings on eBay to price your items competitively. If an item consistently sells for $25, price it at $24.99 to move it fast. Leave room for offers, but don't undersell. Profit matters more than volume. High-quality photos sell. Use natural lighting and neutral backgrounds. Write honest descriptions and include measurements. Platforms like eBay, Poshmark, Mercari, and Facebook Marketplace all work. Choose based on your item type. Weigh your items at home with a kitchen scale. Use USPS flat rate boxes for heavier items. Reuse packaging when possible to save costs. Always include tracking and consider offering free shipping with pricing adjusted. I once bought a DVD player that didn't power on. Always test electronics before buying. Avoid clothes with stains or odors. Don't hoard inventory. List quickly. Time is money. Analyze your flips monthly to stay on track. Let's break it down. I bought 10 items for $45, sold them all for $205. After fees and shipping, my net profit was $135 in 1 week. Not bad for weekend thrifting, right? Imagine doing that consistently. Once you see results, reinvest your profits into better inventory. Build a routine, source twice a week, list every night, ship every morning. Use spreadsheets to track everything. Consistency turns this side hustle into serious income. If you've ever wanted to make extra money but didn't know where to start, thrift flipping is a real scalable path. Start with what you know, stay consistent, and let curiosity guide you. If this helped, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you've ever flipped something yourself. Let's grow together.